Alright, hi everyone. Welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make a floral arrangement for any occasion. Come on with me, guys. Alright, so you either buy or grab any vase. This happened to be one that I DIY'd. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and we have Mother's Day coming up tomorrow, but this can be used for a birthday, anniversary, you name it. You choose the vase, whether you buy it, find it in your home, thrift it doesn't matter. And then these are the florals that I decided to use, but you can change out the florals according to who you're giving them to, maybe whatever their favorite flower is. And yep, that's what we're going to be doing. So I decided, now the Dollar Tree's carrying these flowers, so these are going to be my pop of color. I absolutely love white florals. So these, I want to show you these two bunches because look at these flowers. They are gorgeous. So the Dollar Tree is selling them. It used to be $3 for this bunch. You get a lot of flowers in this bunch, and I'll show you the tag says $5. So even for $5 to get a bunch like this with all of the greenery, this is a great buy. So two of these are gonna fill up this vase, and this is a pretty big vase. So let's go ahead and start out. And I also wanted to see if I use these mini roses. Let's see what happens, okay? Because I don't like a flimsy bouquet, I like a full bouquet. I may or may not use a bow. Again, you can use this anniversary, birthday. You can give it as a gift. You can just make one for your home. Okay, so once you get these, and like I said, these are great for $5 because if you got them for $1.75 in the, hold on one second. All right, let's see where we put that. So if you got these for $1.75, because that's what they are now at the Dollar Tree, this is the better buy for $5. Because if you got two bunches, I'm not sure where this fell from. Let's see. Because if you got two bunches, you're already at almost $4. So if you get five, you pretty much almost have a full bouquet. So this for $5 is the better buy. I'm not sure. I'm hoping I find it. Where did this come from? Not sure where it came from. So let me just take a moment and see if I can find it. Yep, it's right here. Thank goodness. All right, so that didn't take too long. So you want to stick that back in here. All right, so here we are. Here's the full bouquet. So let me go ahead and take the tag off the other bouquet, which is the same. Okay, again, this is $5 a bunch. I think it's well worth the money. It's nice and full, already has the greenery, and if I'm not mistaken, I thought I saw some baby's breath. Let's take a look. We have some other little smaller greenery that fills in for the baby's breath, but sometimes you will see it with baby's breath. So the hardest part really is just pulling these tags off. Okay, so then you want to just kind of pull them apart. You can fluff them in the vase. I fluff them in and out of the vase, and then you can pull them in the direction that you want. Okay, so these two bouquets by itself, I'm pretty sure will fill it up, but we need a pop of color, and since I'm gonna go ahead and do this for myself because I love flowers and I love them all around the house. Okay. So these are the mini roses. Now these came from Michael's and they're 99 cents from Michael's, okay? So I'm not sure if we're gonna use these, but I believe we're gonna use them. I'm not sure though, only because of how tall this vase is. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so let's start out, always start out with the biggest florals and then fill in with the other. Hold on a second, let me get you up a little bit higher. Okay, so now you want to place the first bunch. And these are tall stem, guys, because this is a tall vase right here. These are tall stem. And that's why I love them so much. I just think they're a great buy. And then here is the other bunch. So I'm not sure if you can see what I'm saying. This is already full by itself, so I may not need to use any more florals. Look at these, absolutely gorgeous. So these were $10 and this was a DIY. I don't even know how long I've had it, and this is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick these pink. Don't think we're gonna use those mini roses, guys. So in the front, I'm gonna pull these. These are gorgeous, guys. It's my mom's favorite color. I'm gonna lift these up a little bit and then drop the florals to the edge. See how pretty that is? Okay. And then you can spread them out any way that you want. I like them spread out. I don't know how that looks. Let's see. Because some of them are lower, some of them are higher. I don't know. Let's see. Let's just put the other one in. I'm going to turn it around. And then we're going to go ahead and spread these out. Let's see how I like these. Isn't that pretty, guys? So you can either leave them like this. Now we can do them this way. I'm not sure I'm liking how this is sitting. This side is sitting okay. And it's the other side. So this side, I think I like, it's this side, that this tall one here that is bothering me. So let's try it again. Okay, let's try that again. Well, I'm gonna find a different way to arrange these. So you see, if you don't like the arrangement, pull them out. Okay, and then we can go ahead and see what we can do. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna do it this way. Okay, let's see. So I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna put the pink in the center and see how that looks. Okay, now remember, these are the shorter stem and the white ones are the longer stem, so we want these up higher, so that's why I'm doing it outside of the vase. Okay, see how those are looking? All right, I think I like that better. This is beautiful. See, I like this better. And we have this piece of greenery that's bothering me a little bit. Okay, so we fixed that. I think I like how this is looking. See? Gorgeous. So you can take them out. Now we have 2 bouquets. All I did was put the 2 smaller ones, the pop of pink in the center. So both of those, and look at this. This is beautiful. Now I probably want to turn these to where, now you have to look to make sure how you want it facing. And either we can go ahead and put a bow. I don't think it needs a bow because of how full it is. Okay, but you can add a bow if you're giving it as a gift. All right. So I hope that this helped you when arranging these florals. And again, this calls attention because this is a gemstone, okay, a blingy type chain. And so that's going to call attention to the vase. So you might not want to put the bow because you have the florals, which are nice and full and beautiful. So I hope this helped you guys. And this is a gift. Once again, you can choose the color florals and whatever type of florals. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.